celebration that brings families and friends together for one very special reason. Kaya mga kaibigan, nandito po tayo not just because of a birthday celebration. We are here because of a life well lived. We are here because of a woman who has given so much love to her family, so much dedication to her work, and so much kindness to everyone that she has met. Mga kaibigan, today is about gratitude, today is about family, today is about celebrating these 60 beautiful years of Ma'am Melody. And because of that, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of Ma'am Melody, and of course, her supported her and love her every step of the way. Ladies and gentlemen, the family of Ma'am Melody, starting with Lauren and Norman. Come on now, let's go together, ladies and gentlemen. We also have Melody and John Ray. We also have Nikki, Fatima, and Jason. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful family of Ma'am Melody. And at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, let us direct our eyes once again at the entrance. Can we also request the family
To you, sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy, happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Pangalawa yung tangilan, mahinog kabilang at kamaitan. Di bumabati, bukal sa kalooban, ikamalino at pakailan pa. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Everybody sing. Happy, happy birthday to you.
Do you feel younger? Do you feel 60 and above?
Actually, I am being honored and overwhelmed na nakaabot kita yung 60 years old. Kasi, dutay na yan at nakakaabot yung 60. May mga sakit na hindi ba, basta, dutay na lang nakakaabot yung 60 years old. Thank you.
Like him, 30 years of age with 30 years of experience. So, diba? So, syempre, gusto naman namin nag-extend naman deepest gratitude para kayo talaga ng hiyala, especially for those who came from outside the city. So, we have friends nga from Manila, and family ni Mama, Bugtoria, Mama Mangkan, in-laws, and other relatives from Leyte, and kan Mama high school batchmates, and friends from Leyte also. Kakanya pa rin nila Mama po na damo po nga salamat. And syempre, most especially, mga katrabaho ni Mama Kayan from Mr. Summer Provincial Hospital, headed by Dr. Jessica Sababuliman, the Chief of Hospital.
She's celebrating her 60th birthday today. And Lord bless also.
Already open. So for those who would like to take their souvenir pictures, and for those who would like to have some drinks while waiting for your tables.
After you touch me in the pouring rain, and the You're the light in the deepest, darkest heart. Come to me, oh soul, brings me more and love that is something. And to you, to show. It's your love, it's your love, it's your love. It's your love. It's your love. Break us down on the ocean as we belong to be. Just the way you just the
You can break a heart so easily. Tell me easy naturally. How much I need of you.
The entrance. All right.
Why do stars fall down from the sky every time? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yung mas masayang kumain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. The shadows slowly once a chance for me.
Our next chosen is a letter nephew of Mom Melvin. We have Nathan Carl Lino.
Every note was a praise.
Up next is the Coley and Ilana of Mount Calvary. We have Mr. Jonathan Kennedy.
All over my heart, Lord, you get the great light. Why tempters for guidance? Now I'm able to speak.
And the Coley of Mount Calvary. Mr. Billy Jubeligan.
All over my heart, you get the great light.
Yes, we have Mr. Norman Tavera, the son-in-law.
Yours is the things, the mornings I remember, the sun's made up to the day. You were
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our 16 roses. Now, let's go back to your celebrant's chair. And of course, to every rose this evening. Again, the other members of the 16 roses. An outfit of the evening. So while nagbibihis po si Mang Melody, we'll continue the fun dito po sa ating reception venue. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the first game of the evening. It's a simple game. We will be playing a song accompanied by our acoustic band. And if you know the title of the song, please raise.
Cause I know that you feel me tonight. Everything's just a
Alright, we have someone here. Ma'am, please, sino sasagot? Ma'am, please join me. Tayo tayo. It's okay. Before you answer the title of the song, ma'am, what's your name? Ma'am Dimpo. And how do you know or how are you related to Ma'am Melody? For a few lines. Come on, sir. Tayo tayo. The next set of performers, as promised, ladies and gentlemen, with their next performance. But by the way, playing a video for you. So can someone assist
Ma'am,
Ma'am
picture,
Melody, please?
Ma'am.
Rita are building to many of you girls music. She loves to dance and sing her heart out.
So, for your 60th birthday, Yolanda, we have prepared a special number. We will take you on a journey through the 6 decades of dance.
From the classics that you grew up with.